Join me as I take on the challenge of becoming a budget master in 2025, and see if I can stick to my plan and save more than ever before. Today, we're diving into how you can become a budget master this year, transforming your finances and achieving your goals. Many people struggle with managing their finances, leading to stress and missed opportunities. We all know that feeling of uncertainty, when you're not sure where your money's going or how you'll cover an unexpected expense. It's a huge source of anxiety, and it's amazing how often we put off dealing with it. But the truth is, budgeting isn't just about numbers, it's about taking control of your life. When you have a clear picture of your finances, you can start making intentional decisions that align with your goals and values. One of the main reasons budgeting is often overlooked is that it can feel overwhelming. There are so many variables to consider, from income to expenses to savings goals, and it's hard to know where to start. And let's be real, who hasn't scrolled through social media and seen their friends' fancy vacations and expensive cars, and felt like they're not measuring up? It's easy to get caught up in the comparison game and feel like we're not good enough. But the thing is, budgeting isn't about depriving yourself of things you love, it's about making conscious choices that support your long-term goals. Another reason budgeting gets pushed to the back burner is that it can feel like a chore. Who wants to spend their precious free time crunching numbers and staring at spreadsheets? It's not exactly the most glamorous task, and it's easy to put it off until later. But the truth is, budgeting is an investment in yourself. It's a way to take care of your future self and make sure you're set up for success. We've all been there. We make a budget, we stick to it for a few weeks, and then we fall off the wagon. It's not that we're not motivated, it's just that life gets in the way, and our budget gets lost in the shuffle. So, how do we make budgeting a habit that sticks? We'll discuss practical strategies for creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and identifying areas for savings. One of the biggest game changers for me was switching to a zero-based budget, where every single dollar has a job. It might sound extreme, but trust me, it's liberating to know exactly where your money's going. Plus, I'll share tools that can help simplify the process, from budgeting apps to spreadsheets that make tracking your expenses a breeze. The key to making a budget that actually works is to make it personal. What are your goals? What are your priorities? When you tailor your budget to your unique situation, you're way more likely to stick to it. And let's not forget about the power of automation. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings account can make saving feel effortless. Another crucial aspect of budgeting is tracking your expenses. It's amazing how quickly those little purchases can add up, and having a clear picture of where your money's going can help you identify areas for savings. I like to use a budgeting app that connects to my bank account, so I can see exactly where my money's going in real time. The key to successful budgeting is not just planning but also adapting your strategies as your financial situation changes. Life is unpredictable, and our budgets need to be flexible enough to accommodate those changes. I've found that regular budget reviews are essential. It's a chance to reassess your goals, celebrate your progress, and make adjustments as needed. One of the most important things I've learned on my budgeting journey is the importance of self-compassion. It's easy to get discouraged when we slip up or make a mistake, but the truth is, budgeting is a process. It takes time, patience, and practice to get it right. So, don't be too hard on yourself if you don't get it perfect from the start. Just keep moving forward, and remember why you started in the first place. My top tip for successful budgeting is to focus on progress, not perfection. It's not about creating a budget that's 100% flawless. It's about making progress towards your goals, one step at a time. When you focus on progress, you're more likely to stay motivated and keep moving forward, even when things get tough. Mastering your budget can be life-changing. Remember the steps we've covered today and start implementing them now. Don't wait until tomorrow or next week. Start taking control of your finances today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my next video on saving strategies, and let me know your budgeting tips in the comments below.